Hello guys, welcome back. Let's explore the bevel deformer and the crease deformer here. These two deformers are kind of interlinked because the crease attribute is something which drives the bevel. So I'll be covering bevel and crease in this video. So let's get started. So we will explore the crease deformer and the bevel deformer available in the deformers menu. So if you just select the move tool and then click on the gear button, you have the bevel which have this crease angle, and also we have the crease tool, which is basically having the crease options. So firstly, the crease is something really important in this total video, which allows us to understand what exactly is going on here. So what I'm going to do is I just go to the geometry and then go to the dynamic subdivision and then just divide it. Okay, if you could see it, it just becomes round all the way, something like that. So if I generally apply the crease tool here, and you should be able to see the corners are now becoming hard, even though it's a dynamic subdivision on or off. But if I just start dragging it, you could see there is a change. What generally crease does actually to our model, if you could see at every edge, there are three lines which make this overall model look harder even you apply the subdivision to your model. So this crease angle, what you are using here is basically, as I keep increasing the value by dragging it, you should be able to see the crease happens onto the edges here. You could see that, and it's only identifying the border of the model. It's not touching the inside. Why is that happening? Because of the angle of these faces. So there is a change in the angle here, and there is a crease applied here. As I drag this value more higher, it will also affect the crease to the lines which are even at the on the same plane. So this is like interactively you can give creasing to any corner or all the faces onto the model. So this is basically crease angle does. Okay, if you apply it, it becomes more round on the edges, but when I increase the crease, it becomes sharp like that. So it is very much useful useful in making hard surface modeling. Okay, so I'll just reduce that and remove the crease angle. Now let's go to the bevel here. So if I just choose, there's a deformer called bevel. So here we got three different controls. The first one is this orange handle, which controls the bevel. Okay, you should be able to see that. So the bevel is applied to the corners, which are basically, as we have seen, the crease was affecting only to the edges, which are changing their angles, not to the middle lines there. Okay, so the radius of this bevel can be controlled, as you could see here, and we also have the resolution, which adds up more lines into the bevel or newly created faces in the bevel. So as I keep dragging, I get more edges there, and you have this option here called crease angle. So this crease angle is same like what we have seen in the crease tool there. So when I increase this, when I reduce the value here, you should be able to see, or increase the value, the crease angles are completely gone. As I keep dragging it down, it's identifying the edges which are changing those angles there. But I keep moving forward, it affects to the all edges, just like how the crease angle was actually affecting all the edges on the model. You can control the radius here and also the resolution of the model. So bevel can be controlled based on the angle. So when it comes to hard surface modeling, when we create bevels manually, it takes a lot of time and effort. This tool will reduce the effort what we put onto getting that round corners on the models. Guys, hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and feel free to leave the comment in the comment section, and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thank you.